Welcome to GPL Capital Talks on Tuesday, a weekly podcast, bringing to you an interesting talk related to finance every week. Stay tuned. Hello everyone. GEPL Capital brings to you Talks on Tuesday, a weekly podcast, episode number 34. Our today's topic is What is Capital Gain? By Ms. Naina Shetapuri, Senior Executive, Debt Market. Over to you.
Dear investors, one of the best ways to save tax is through investments in 54EC bonds, which is commonly known as capital gain bonds, that allows all category of persons to avail exemption benefit under Section 54EC of the Income Tax Act 1961. If you have received capital gain from selling a property or land, you can invest in these bonds to avoid paying capital gain tax. Investment in these bonds can be made throughout the year, but should be made within 6 months from the date of sale of the property. The 54EC capital gain bonds are tax exemption bonds, which allows you to avoid paying tax on capital gains arising from selling property. These bonds continue to be tax exempted and no tax is deducted at the source. However, the interest gained is taxable and must be mentioned during the tax return filing. Also, these bonds are exempted from wealth tax. The face value of the bond is Rs 10,000. You can put in a minimum sum of Rs 20,000 and the maximum limit is Rs 50 lakhs in a financial year. These bonds are highly secure, sovereign in nature with a AAA rating. The bonds have a lock-in period of 5 years from the date of allotment and will redeem at par. The bonds are non-transferable, non-negotiable and cannot be offered as a security for any loan or advance. The bonds are offered by the following 4 companies, which are REC, that is Rural Electrification Corporation Limited, NHAI, that is National Highways Authority of India, PFC, that is Power Finance Corporation Limited, and IRFC, that is Indian Railways Finance Corporation Limited. The benefits of these tax-free government bonds are as follows. It provides exemption on capital gain. It gives you an assured income. It gives you an ease of access and it is a safe investment. The primary benefit of this product is that it helps you save taxes on your capital gains. The exemption is for the amount of capital gain or the amount of investment made, whichever is less. You stand to gain an annual interest of 5% on your investments. You can hold 54EC bonds in demat or physical form. Capital gain bonds are backed by the Government of India. You can invest in these bonds and not have to worry about the returns. To know more, you can get in touch with us at www.geplcapital.com. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Naina, for this interesting insight. Stay tuned for our next Tuesday Talks, where we will be talking to you about tax saving aspects, ELSS versus PPF. Also use the hashtag AskExpert@GEPL on Twitter and get all your questions answered on the stock market. Thank you.